Everybody, it's a Sapo again. It's been another video. Each day I'll show you this type of coffee and a coffee money maker aeropress. So now this I'll show you like a podcast, video cast. You know this like chew that the true do coffee, and also the coffee maker, the coffee machine, and that's the stuff. Let's put your camera. Let's just put this. Now, what is a coffee and coffee maker aeropress? And install aeropress. Yes, actually now we can coffee in Canada. You know, see you start off. Yeah, start off. Yeah, you're starting. As you can see now. Now, this is the coffee. It's a coffee machine. This is coffee machine. That's a coffee. The coffee. That's a maker aeropress. That's it now. And that's folks. Thank you for watching. All this other name is on. What you do Canada, $70. What you do coffee and I go in Canada. This is not the desert. It's still on your starcher. I need your coffee. And that's folks. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this coffee. The coffee machine. The coffee machine. Got a video subs this. Please subscribe to my channel. And that's all for now. What if you enjoyed this out where you go thumbs up. And now this is you starting a lock. And taking your thumbs up, and it's gonna go off. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Ciao for now.